The following video shows how a 150 amp or higher DC fast charging station may taper in optimal conditions while charging a Chevy Bolt. A DC fast charging station labeled as 55 kilowatts or higher should be capable of delivering these rates. The Bolt charges at a rate dependent on its state of charge and the power of the station, measured in kilowatts. It's 2019, and current models of the Chevy Bolt can charge at up to a maximum of 55 kilowatts, and a 150 amp or higher station is capable of delivering that maximum rate. The Bolt will accept charge at full speed up until the battery is around 55% full, and then it will taper or cut the power intake to around 38 kilowatts and charge at a slower rate. From this point on, the rate of charge matches what you'd get at a 125 amp station. Then it charges at that speed until the battery is about 71% full, when it tapers for the second time to about 24 kilowatts. A third taper occurs at 86%, dropping to around 16 kilowatts, charging at this power until the battery is about 95%, at which point you'll see another drop that brings you down to around 10 kilowatts. Finally, once the battery is around 98%, the power gradually tapers until the battery is full. Assuming you show up at the station with about a 15% charge on your battery, it would take around 28 minutes to reach a 55% charge. Add another 15 minutes to get to a 71% charge. It would take an additional 24 minutes to get up to about 86%. 22 more minutes on top of that to get to 95%. And finally, another 18 minutes to top it off at 100%. To fill the battery to 100% from 15%, it would take around 1 hour and 47 minutes. But if you stopped around 80%, it would only take about 1 hour. I generally aim to stop a fast charge somewhere between 80 and 85%. But if I'm looking for the most time and cost-effective way of charging, stopping a DC fast charge before it tapers is the best bet. So stopping at 70% or even 55% is most efficient if it gives me enough range to my next stop. My disclaimers: Graph assumes optimal conditions. The Chevy Bolt tapers differently depending on the power of the charging station. Different cars taper differently, and there are other variables that play a role, so your results will likely vary from what you see here.